subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has launched its new highly anticipated Ace series phone in China called OnePlus Ace 3. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Ace 3 features a tall 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 740 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256, 512, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of optics, the OnePlus Ace 3 sports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX890 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5,500 mAh battery, with 100 watts fast charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 14, based on ColorOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.3 by 75.3 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 207 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus Ace 3 has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 2,599 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 2,999 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 16GB plus 1TB storage option is priced at 3,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in classic gold, moon sea blue, and star black color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from January 15th. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Ace 3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.